With Microsoft Power Platform, you can transform how your business handles data and automation through applications like Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI. Power Apps is a low-code development program that empowers you to build custom business applications quickly without the need for a dedicated coder. Next up, Power BI is an essential tool for data-driven decision-making. It pulls data from various sources into coherent reports and visualizations, enabling you to grasp complex information easily. Then there's Power Automate, which automates routine business processes, connects your applications, and ensures smooth data flow across your operations, all without the need for complex programming. These applications are all built on a robust data backbone provided by Microsoft Dataverse. It ensures that your data is securely stored and managed while being easily accessible across all your applications. Whether you're looking to enhance operational efficiency, make informed decisions, or automate repetitive tasks, Microsoft Power Platform has the tools you need. You can find more information on our website at Kwixand.com or reach out to us at info@kwixand.com to start your digital transformation.